Hey guys, it's me. Just chilling outside playing with my daughter right now. It's been snowing all night and this is what it looks like now. There's my daughter playing in the snow. It's still snowing a little bit, not much anymore. It's starting to lighten up a little bit. It is New Year's Eve now, so everybody, Happy New Year. I hope you guys all have a great New Year. If you guys are going to be out partying and drinking and stuff, please be safe. Yeah. I don't know, it's pretty freaking cold outside right now. I'm freezing. It's very pretty out. Yeah. So, anyway, just wanted to say hi to everybody. Me and my sister are going to be doing some more of those dares that you guys sent us. We had a lot of fun doing them. She was at her friend's house for like 3 or 4 days or something like that. So we weren't able to do those over the weekend and stuff. She just got back last night. It was a really, really long road trip. But we will be doing those here soon, very soon, in the next like 2 or 3 days. So keep an eye out for those, and everybody in Arizona, hello, I miss you guys a lot, and I hope I get to see you guys really soon. I should be coming out to visit here in a little bit, like, I don't know, hopefully in a month or 2. So, yeah. But you guys be safe, Happy New Year, and hit me up on my Facebook. The link will be down in the description below. And yeah. Okay, bye guys.